Are you struggling to drive traffic to your website and generate revenue? Did you know that Google AdWords can help you reach millions of potential customers and increase your online visibility? Hello, I am Ritika Maggo from BusinessWave, your business partner for digital growth. I will show you the key steps to creating a successful Google AdWords campaign that drives traffic, leads, and revenue for your business. First step, research your keywords. Create targeted ads that appear in their search results. Next, create compelling ad copy. It should be clear, concise, and relevant to the keywords you are targeting. Third, landing page for the AdWord campaign should be relevant to your ad copy and provide a clear call to action. Fourth, target your ads to the right audience based on factors like location, interest, and demographics. Finally, track your click through rate, conversion rate, and return on investment for your ad. Refine your strategy and improve your results. Thank you. For services, website, app development, digital marketing, business incorporation, e-commerce, fill the form and get connected to the agency in 24 hours.